Fia!
Prepare yourselves for the Fia Fandango. Time to move your feet and dance to the beat. Yeah!
A ride. A ride.
Hey, that wasn't part of the dance, Robo.
Stop and Robo, Amir.
Uh-oh. Come back here, Robo.
Hey, come back here.
A ride, Lynn.
Stop, Robo! Stop, Robo! Amir, you need to use your Robo drift to stop on Robo. Stop, Robo! What's wrong, Amir?
I wasn't really magic, Fia. I was using a remote control.
Huh?
And now my Robo is out of control.
The Grownups. Charlotte, Amir.
Got it.
The remote control is broken.
Can you fix it, Bomba? I don't think we've time to fix it.
Don't worry, we'll catch him. Come on, everyone.
Eraglin!
No!
Cadê enemid? Stoppes det?
The Grownups chorde. We need to stop on Robo.
But how can we stop him?
Let's think. I know. Pip, can we use your extra sticky tape?
Kitcha.
We can use it to stop on Robo. Everyone grab onto the tape. Eraglin!
Stop Robo!
Stop, Robo!